Prevent Alzheimer's and dementia with these 9 natural remedies for memory loss. Are you or a loved one struggling with memory loss and worried about the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia? In this video, we'll explore 9 natural remedies that have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, reducing the risk of these devastating conditions. From ancient herbs to modern supplements, we'll dive into the science behind each remedy and provide you with a comprehensive guide to incorporating them into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to improve your memory, boost your brain health, or simply feel more focused and alert, this video is for you. So, let's get started on the path to a healthier, happier brain. Join me as I dive into 9 natural remedies that could help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia and see if I can boost my memory along the way. When it comes to memory loss, Alzheimer's, and dementia, we often think of them as inevitable parts of aging. But what if I told you there are natural remedies that can help prevent these conditions from developing in the first place? Today, we're going to explore the powerful world of natural remedies that can support brain health and even help prevent memory loss. Memory loss is a growing epidemic, affecting millions of people worldwide. In fact, it's estimated that by 2050, over 150 million people will be living with dementia. That's a staggering number, and it's not just the people affected who suffer, but their families and caregivers as well. Conventional treatments often focus on managing symptoms, but they rarely address the root causes of the problem. That's why it's so important to look beyond pharmaceuticals and explore the natural world for solutions. The good news is that many natural remedies have been shown to be incredibly effective in supporting brain health and preventing memory loss. The traditional approach to treating memory loss often overlooks the importance of nutrition, lifestyle, and environmental factors. By addressing these underlying causes, we can take a proactive approach to preventing memory loss and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. But before we dive into the natural remedies, it's essential to understand the gravity of the situation. The numbers are alarming, and the impact on individuals, families, and society as a whole is devastating. From the emotional toll of watching a loved one slip away to the financial burden of caregiving, the effects of memory loss are far-reaching. That's why it's crucial we take action, and it starts with exploring the natural remedies that can make a real difference. Let's dive into the first of our 9 natural remedies, Bacopa monnieri. This ancient Indian herb has been used for centuries to enhance memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown it can improve memory formation, boost brain communication, and even reduce anxiety and depression. Next up is ginkgo biloba, which has been proven to increase blood flow to the brain, reducing the risk of memory loss and dementia. We'll also explore the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a critical role in brain function and development. From there, we'll delve into the world of antioxidants, including vitamins C and E and the powerful ashwagandha herb. One remedy that really stands out is turmeric. This common spice has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and recent studies have revealed its incredible potential in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. In fact, one study found that turmeric outperformed a popular Alzheimer's medication in reducing beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of the disease. It's no wonder turmeric has become a staple in many natural remedies for memory loss. Another surprising remedy is ferulic acid, found in fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. This powerful antioxidant has been shown to reduce cognitive decline and even promote the growth of new brain cells. And let's not forget about the importance of magnesium, which plays a critical role in neurotransmitter function and synaptic plasticity. By incorporating these natural remedies into our daily lives, we can take a proactive approach to preventing memory loss and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. In conclusion, natural remedies offer a powerful solution to the growing problem of memory loss and dementia. By incorporating these 9 remedies into our daily lives, we can take control of our brain health and reduce the risk of these devastating conditions. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of natural remedies for memory loss. If you've got a personal experience with memory loss or have tried any of these natural remedies, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and remedies, and let's keep exploring the natural world together.